Good medical morning. Today, we have an amazing medical case. Let's take a look. Here's what the doctor had to say. A 16-year-old boy presented to my office with 2 days of skin changes and fever. Everything started 2 days before he came into my office. He saw redness on his left lower leg, after which he developed pain in the neck, headache, nausea, and fever up to 38 degrees Celsius. The day after that, he noticed redness of his palms, and he felt a burning sensation in them. Same redness appeared in the elbow region. He was seen by a dermatologist at the same day who prescribed corticosteroid cream and ciprofloxacin, which he started to use. Are these pimples? Are they pustules? How about chickenpox? The doctor continues, I continued ciprofloxacin and referred the patient to pediatric department. I will see him in a few days. What is your opinion on this case? So leave your comments below. What is happening with this case? I'll put what a dermatologist had to say about the case in the description below. So there you go.
Hi, I'm Emily, and I'm here to tell you about Rest More. I take it every single night before bed, and it helps me sleep like a baby. I take 2 capsules with a glass of water about 30 minutes before bed, and I am able to sleep all night long. You can pick this up on Amazon. You can get a 30-day or 60-day supply. I personally buy the 60-day because it lasts a little bit longer and it's cheaper. I wake up feeling fully refreshed, and I think you all should try it.
Remember, when you just need more rest, get Rest More. Now available on Amazon. Good night. Don't forget, if you like our content, then also check us out on Roku and Facebook. We'll put links below. Just check the description for links to our Facebook and Roku channels.